Hello, tonight we're working on problems 1 through 3. So for this first one, it's asking how you find the reference angle. And so the reference angle is the measure of the angle between the terminal line, which is just a fancy way of saying the line that ends the original angle, and the x-axis. So when we're looking at problem 2, for this one, when we're trying to determine this reference angle, well, we went 210 degrees. There's 180 degrees in half a circle. So how much would it take to get back to the x-axis? Well, it would take 30 degrees. For problem 3, we go 100 degrees in the negative direction. We're trying to get to the closest x-axis, which is this one right here. And so how much further would we have to go? Well, we'd have to go 80 degrees. If you have any questions on this, please let me know. Otherwise, have a good night, and we'll see you in class tomorrow.